Article 215 deals with the resolution of inconsistency between laws made by Parliament under Articles 249 and 250 and laws made by, answer, the legislatures of states. 2, which article empowers Parliament to legislate for 2 or more states by consent, allowing other states to adopt such legislation. Answer, Article 252. 3, the power of Parliament to make laws for implementing international treaties and agreements is derived from, answer, Article 253. 4, in case of repugnancy between a state law and a law of Parliament on a concurrent list subject, which prevails as per Article 254. Answer, the law made by Parliament prevails. 5, Article 255 states that the requirement of recommendations or previous sanctions for introducing certain bills is to be regarded as a matter of procedure only. 6, Article 256 imposes an obligation on states to ensure that the exercise of their executive power does not hamper the Union's executive power. 7, under Article 257, the Union can give directions to a state for the protection of railways within the state. 8, Article 258 allows the President to entrust Union functions to state governments with the, answer, consent of the state governments. 9, Article 258A enables a state governor, with the consent of the Government of India, to entrust state functions to the Union government. 10, jurisdiction of the Union in relation to territories outside India is provided under Article 260. 11, full faith and credit shall be given throughout India to public acts, records, and judicial proceedings under, answer, Article 261. Adjudication of disputes relating to waters of interstate rivers or river valleys can be excluded from Supreme Court's jurisdiction by Parliament under, answer, Article 262. Provisions for the establishment of an interstate council are contained in, answer, Article 263. The constitutional basis for the principle no tax shall be levied or collected except by authority of law is, answer, Article 265. 15. All revenues received by the Government of India are credited to the Consolidated Fund of India. 16. The Contingency Fund of India, as per Article 267, is placed at the disposal of the President. 17. Stamp duties and duties of excise on medicinal and toilet preparations are levied by the Union, but collected and appropriated by the states under, answer, Article 268. 18. Taxes on the sale or purchase of goods in the course of interstate trade or commerce. Absolutely, I'll continue on from where we left off. 18. Taxes on the sale or purchase of goods in the course of interstate trade or commerce are levied and collected by the Union, but assigned to the states under, answer, Article 269. 19. The levy and collection of the goods and services tax, GST, in the course of interstate trade is governed by, answer, Article 269A. 20. Taxes referred to in the Union list, like income tax excluding agricultural income, are levied and collected by the Union, but distributed between the Union and the states under, answer, Article 270. 21. Article 271 empowers Parliament to levy a surcharge on certain duties and taxes for the purposes of the, answer, Union. 22. Prior recommendation of the President is required for introducing a bill affecting taxation in which states are interested, as per Article 274. 23. Statutory grants from the Union to certain states, as specified by Parliament, are provided under Article 275. 24. Taxes on professions, trades, callings, and employments, though within the state lists, are subject to a total ceiling per person per year, as per Article 276. 25. Article 277 is a saving clause that allows existing taxes on professions, etc., to continue until, answer, Parliament decides to abolish them. 26. The definition and calculation of net proceeds of taxes are to be determined by, answer, Parliament by law. And 27. The Goods and Services Tax Council is established under Article 279A. 28. The Finance Commission, which recommends the distribution of taxes between the Union and the states, is constituted under Article 280. 29. The recommendations of the Finance Commission are laid before, answer, each House of Parliament. 30. Under Article 282, the Union or a state may make grants for any public purpose, even if it is not within its legislative competence. 31. Custody of the consolidated funds, contingency funds, and public accounts of India and the states is regulated by answer Article 283. 32. Monies received by public servants in courts, e.g. suitors' deposits, are to be paid into the public account as per answer Article 284. 33. The property of the Union is exempt from state taxation except where Parliament by law provides otherwise under answer Article 285. 34. Restrictions on the imposition of a tax on the sale or purchase of goods, especially outside a state or in the course of import-export, are specified in absolutely continuing on. Taxes on the sale or purchase of goods in the course of interstate trade or commerce are levied and collected by the Union, but assigned to the states under answer Article 269. 19. The levy and collection. 30. Under Article 282, the Union or a state may make grants for any public purpose, even if it is not within its legislative competence. 31. Custody of the consolidated funds, contingency funds, and public accounts of India and the states is regulated by Article 283. 32. Monies received by public servants and courts, e.g. suitors' deposits, are to be paid into the public account as per Article 284. 33. The property of the Union is exempt from state taxation except where Parliament by law provides otherwise under Article 285. 34. Restrictions on the imposition of a tax on the sale or purchase of goods, especially outside a state or in the course of import and export, are specified in Article 286. Exemption of electricity consumed by the Government of India or a state or in the construction of railways from taxes under Article 277. 36. Article 288 provides exemption from taxation by states in respect of water or electricity stored, generated, consumed, or sold by an authority established by a union law. 37. The property and income of a state are exempt from union taxation under Article 289. 38. Article 290 provides for adjustments in respect of certain expenses and pensions between the union and a state. 39. An annual payment is charged on the Consolidated Fund of Kerala to the Travancore Devaswam Fund and the Devaswam Fund of Tamil Nadu under Article 290A. 40. The borrowing powers of the Government of India, subject to limits set by Parliament, are defined in Article 292. 41. A state's power to borrow within India is subject to limitations imposed by answer the Union Legislature. 42. Article 294 deals with succession to property, assets, rights, liabilities, and obligations of answer the Dominion of India and provinces. 43. Succession to property, assets, rights, liabilities, and obligations of Indian states acceding to India is governed by answer Article 295. 44. Property accruing by escheat or lapse or is bona vacantia belongs to the Union or state, depending on the subject matter as per answer Article 296. 45. All lands, minerals, and other things of value under territorial waters, the continental shelf, and resources of the exclusive economic zone vest in the answer Union. 46. The executive power of the Union in each state includes the power to carry on any trade or business as per Sure, let's keep going from question 46. 46. The executive power of the Union in each state includes the power to carry on any trade or business as per answer Article 298. 47. All contracts made in the exercise of the executive power of the Union or a state must be answer in writing and signed by the President or Governor. 48. The Government of India may sue or be sued in relation to its affairs in the name of the Union of India as per answer Article 300. And that continues the